Week 3. So the stage was dot torture. It's a target that has 10 circles on it. They're 2.5 inches. And from one distance, I can't remember what it was for handguns. I think it was 10 yards for the long guns. But you had to engage them however they called it out for each string. Stuff like, put 2 shots on each dot, 1 through 5, and then put 2 shots on dot 7 off your weak shoulder, and 1 shot on 8, and 1 shot on 9, and just so on. So I'm not going to throw the whole thing in there and bore you with it. But Micah shot it clean with his pistol caliber carbine. He did really good. I missed 5 of the required hits. I want to say there were 50. Normally it's 50 per stage, but I didn't count them. We've been busy moving, so I'm a little late with the video. And you'll notice the backdrop has changed a little bit. But it's still us. We're still here. And we can share it with you. It was kind of probably a boring stage to watch, but I'll show it to you anyway. Enjoy.
Commence. Commence. Okay, guys. Okay, commence.
You gonna say hi to Rick? Hi, Rick. Hi to Grandpa Doug too. Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Uncle Rick. Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Uncle Rick. Hello, Grandpa. Hello, Grandpa. Hello, Grandpa. We miss you lots. Great Uncle Rick. Hello. We're doing a dance for you. We're dancing around and singing a song, and we're doing it just for you. Uncle Rick, we're dancing, dancing fools. We're dancing around and we're saying hi, hi, hi to great Uncle Rick. Hi! You're a star. Oh, he's a wiggle butt. He's a star and a wiggle butt. So week 4 was shoot with the pistol inverted in your left, your weak hand, pulling trigger with the pinky while carrying your youngest child on your shoulder. It was a little easier for me because Clayton is a lot more compact, easier to carry. I can get my shots off easier. Micah, oh man, his oldest child is, golly, 11 now? So he had a heck of a time, but you know, it's about the only way I'm going to beat him. Huh.